All right, y'all, to start our cake, we are going to have our paper horizontal, so long ways or hamburger. We're going to start on the top half of our paper to do the top part of our cake. We're going to start by making an oval shape. So we're going to start towards the middle, make a curved line, and then continue it to the other side and stop. So we want to have a little gap in between, okay? Next, we're going to draw a point in the middle of our cake. So we want to connect this dot with this line. So we're going to draw a diagonal line down to meet that point, and again, a diagonal line to meet the point in the middle. Next, we're going to draw vertical lines on either side of our cake. So draw a line down and draw another line down. You want to make sure these are almost the same. So I need to bring this one down just a little bit more. There we go, those look pretty equal. Next, we're going to come to these 2 points where we drew our triangle, and we're going to draw more vertical lines. This time, it's going to come down a little bit further. So draw a vertical line down and stop. So see, it's just a little bit longer than the one we just did. Let's make an equal one for the other side. So come to this point and draw a vertical line down. So these two match. They're a little longer than the other 2 lines we just drew. Next, we are going to connect the end of our cake. So we want to kind of create a curve just like we did before. So coming here, we're going to curve it down. And starting these 2 points, make a curved line. There we go. Our cake's coming together. Now we want to come to the top of our triangle in the middle. We're going to draw a vertical line down, but we're going to stop around here. So go ahead and draw a vertical line and stop. This part, we're going to make another diagonal line to connect these points. So we want our diagonal line to match this diagonal line. So kind of go over this a little bit. I practice like that. Come down and then connect the 2 lines. Same thing on this side. Kind of get the motion down, going over it, and then I'm going to connect the 2 lines. So now we have a full cake, but it's floating in space. Let's fix that. So we want to put that on a plate. So we're going to start right around here, make another oval, and then we're going to make the outline of the oval to finish our plate. So now it's sitting on a plate, and let's add a horizontal line that stops right there and goes to the other side. So now our cake is sitting on a plate and it's on a table. So just a couple more things to finish up our cake. Let's go ahead and add some rows for the icing. So we're going to kind of follow the same curved line. Let's do 3 rows. There we go. It's just slightly curved. There we go. And following the same curve, let's do it again. Curve here and curve here. All right, looks good. Now let's add a couple layers to our cake. So we're just gonna do 2. So again, we wanna make our diagonal line the same as these. We're gonna draw one right here and then a little one underneath. Same thing on this side. Same exact diagonal line. Start right where this line comes. And again, those 2 lines meet in the middle. All right, y'all. So now we just get to add some icing to our cake. Draw some curved little bumpy lines on each layer of our cake. We'll do that a few times. Take your time while doing this. Stay in the lines. All right, and there we have our finished cake. Now we can color in our layers, color in our icing, our table, our plate, and of course our background. Don't forget to email Miss Howell a picture of your work.